Hi, I'm Jaden with Vivo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean your VIVO Cotton Candy machine. To clean after use 1 cup of water and pour it in the center of the spinner head while the machine is still running. Then turn off the machine and allow it to cool down. Once the machine's cooled down, you can then use a towel or rag to wipe off the excess water or sugar. If you would prefer to wash the bowl separately, simply release the latches on the side of the machine and then remove the bowl. If the inside of the head needs to be clean, remove the 4 screws on top, then remove the top plate. If screws are difficult to remove, turn on the machine and heater for 15 to 20 seconds to free up the screws. If the burnt sugar is difficult to remove, you can soak the top plate in vinegar and then scrub it clean. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at Vivo Customer Support. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.